Students, coming to next questions regarding chapter some basic concepts of chemistry. So firstly, if 1.5 moles of oxygen combines with aluminium to form Al2O3, that is aluminium trioxide, the mass of aluminium in gram given aluminium atomic mass 27 used in the reaction is. Options are 2.7, 54, 40.5, 81. Okay na? So the equation, we have to write the equation, that is aluminium combines with oxygen to give Al2O3. Okay na? To balance we have to add 3 by 2 O2. So in the given data, aluminium, that is we have 2 moles aluminium, then oxygen, that is 1.5 moles, here 1 mole alva, according to equation 2Al, so 2 moles, 3 by 2 is nothing but 1 by 1.5, then 1 Al2O3. So 1 mole of alumina is obtained from 2 moles of Al and 1.5 moles of oxygen, right? So idu from the equation. So thus the amount of aluminium, that is aluminium is equal to how much? 2 moles. So 2 into given aluminium atomic mass 27, so 2 into 27, that is 54. Okay na? So option B is the right answer. First we have to write the balanced equation. There we have to mention the number of moles. So here we have aluminium 2 moles, so 2 into 27. Okay na? So in gram kelirodu, mass of aluminium is nothing but the what? Number of moles into atomic mass. So 2 into 27, that is 54. So B is the right answer. Next, what volume of oxygen gas measured at 0 degrees Celsius and 1 atm is needed to burn completely 1 liter of propane gas, that is C3H8, measured under the same condition? The options are 5 liter, 10 liter, 7 liter, 6 liters. Okay na? Here also again same type question. We have to mention the balanced equation. C3H8 plus 5O2 give rise to 3CO2 plus 4H2O. Okay na? In the first we have to write the balanced equation. Now 1 volume of propane combines with 5 volume of oxygen to give 3 volume of carbon dioxide and 4 volume of water. Okay na? So now according to this equation, 1 volume or 1 liter of propane requires 5 volume or 5 liter of oxygen to burn completely. Okay na? So 1 volume ge 5 ಬೇಕಿದೆ. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ how much volume of oxygen is needed to burn 1 liter of propane. So volume ಅಂತ ಬಂದಾಗ it may be anything. Okay na? So that is liter ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಏನಾದರೂ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೀಟರ್. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ 1 ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ 5 ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಸೊ 5 liters of oxygen is measured or it is needed to burn completely 1 liter of propane gas. Next question. The mass of oxygen gas which occupies 5.6 liters at STP would be the gram atomic mass of oxygen, 1/4 of the gram atomic mass of oxygen, double the gram atomic mass of oxygen, half of the gram atomic mass of oxygen. Okay na? So here we have constant or we know that 22.4 liter at STP equals 32 gram of oxygen. Okay na? So that is nothing but the atomic mass. Oxygen O2. So 16 into 2. So given 5.6 liter at STP is equal to 32 divided by 22.4 into 5.6. Simple cross multiplication. ಓಕೆನಾ. ಸೊ 32 into 5.6 divided by 22.4 that is equal to 8 gram. ಓಕೆನಾ, 8 gram of oxygen. ಸೊ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, that is nothing but half into gram atomic mass. ಓಕೆನಾ, gram atomic mass of oxygen. Clear? So that is option D is the right answer. So ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, known concept 22.4 liter at STP is equal to 32 gram of oxygen. So 5.6 ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 8 grams ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹಾಫ್ ಇಂಟು ಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅಟಾಮಿಕ್ ಮಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್. ಓಕೆನಾ. Next question, the equivalent weight of SnCl2 in the equation, that is SnCl2 plus Cl2 give rise to SnCl4 is 95, 190, 48, 380. Okay na? So we have equivalent weight is equal to molecular weight divided by valency. Okay na? So that is, here the valency is 2. Okay na? So molecular weight divided by 2. So here the molecular weight of SnCl2, right? So molecular weight of SnCl2 is, that is 190 divided by 2, that is 95. So option A is the right answer. Molecular weight we can calculate. Okay na? Tin ಮತ್ತೆ chlorine ಅವೆರಡರದ್ದು molecular weight, that is nothing but molar mass, molecular mass. So that divided by valency, that is 2. So 95, A is the answer. Next question, if 300 ml of a gas weighs 0.368 gram at STP, what is its molecular weight? Options 30.16 gram, 2.55 gram, 27.5 gram, 37.5 gram. So 300 ml of gas weigh 0.368 gram. Okay na? So 1 ml of gas weigh, that is cross multiplication 0.368 divided by 300. So that is 1 ml of gas, that is ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, direct cross multiplication 368 divided by 300. So we have 22,400 ml at STP ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. So 22,400 ml of gas weigh, that is 0.368 divided by 300 into 22,400. Okay na? So overall calculate ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ we are going to get 27.477. Okay na? So this is almost equal to 27.5. So option C is the right answer. So 300 ml of gas weigh ಆಗೋದು 0.368 gram. So 1 ml ಅಂತ ಬಂದಾಗ cross multiplication, that is 0.368 by 300. So here we have a condition, that is at STP. So that is the standard value 22,400. So that is multiplied by the obtained value. Okay na? So 27.477 almost equal to 27.5. So C is the right answer. Next question, an unknown element forms an oxide. What will be the equivalent weight of element if the oxygen content is 20% by weight? Okay na? If oxygen content 20% ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದರದ್ದು equivalent weight ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ we have to find out. Okay na? So let the oxide, that is oxide na MO ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Okay na? So that is oxide. They had given what? Oxygen content ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? Oxygen content is 20%. Right. So equivalent weight in terms of percentage, that is percentage ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ percent refers to 100. So we have 80 divided by 20 into 8. Okay na? So why 80 divided by 20 into 8? ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ದು ನಮಗೆ 8 ಇದೆ ಅಟಾಮಿಕ್ ಮಾಸು. ಸೊ 20% ಅಂತ ಬಂದಾಗ ನಮಗೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದನ್ನು 100 - 20 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 80 ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 20. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 32 grams. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. Next question. The number of water molecules is maximum in 1.8 gram of water, 18 gram of water, 18 moles of water, 18 molecules of water. So, difference ಇದೆ. Gram, moles, molecules ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ. So, the number of water molecule is maximum in. So, 1.8 gram of water is equal to Avogadro number 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 divided by 18 into 1.8 alva. So that is equal to 6.023 into 10 to the power 22 molecules. Okay, so 1.8 gram of water ಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟು molecules ಇದೆ. So 18 gram of water is equal to Avogadro number of molecules, right? Avogadro number of molecules. Then 18 moles of water is equal to 18 into Avogadro number. Okay na? So option C is the right answer. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಇರೋದು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿರೋದು. ಸೊ 1.8 ಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅಂತ ಬಂದಾಗ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ 6.023 ಇಂಟು 10 to the power 23 ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 18 ಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅಂತ ಬಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಅವಗಾಡ್ರೋ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ಸ್. ಸೊ 18 ಮೋಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಬಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ 18 ಇಂಟು ಅವಗಾಡ್ರೋ ನಂಬರ್. ಸೊ ನಮಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಇರೋದು 18 ಮೋಲ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟರ್. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಸಿ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್. The number of atoms in 52 gram of helium is 78.299 into 10 to the power 24 atoms, 7.820 into 10 to the power 24 atoms, 7.829 into 10 to the power 24 atoms, 78.234 into 10 to the power 25 atoms. Okay na? So, number of atoms, that is equal to Na into mass divided by atomic mass. Okay na? So that is Avogadro number into mass divided by atomic mass. So Avogadro number 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 and mass given 52. Atomic mass of helium, that is 4. So the answer on calculating 7.829 into 10 to the power 24 atoms. Okay na? So option C is the right answer. So we have number of atoms is equal to Avogadro number into mass, then whole divided by atomic mass. Okay na? So substitute ಮಾಡಿ calculate ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ we are going to get 7.829 into 10 to the power 24 atoms. So C is the right answer. Next question. The number of water molecules present in a drop of water weighing 0.018 gram is 0.022 into 10 to the power 26, 6.022 into 10 to the power 23, 6.022 into 10 to the power 19, 6.022 into 10 to the power 20. So, number of moles is equal to weight by molecular mass, right? Weight by molecular mass. So, here weight given 0.018 divided by molecular mass, that is water 18, that is equal to 1 into 10 to the power minus 3. Okay na? So weight by molar mass 0.018 given weight, then molecular mass 18. So namige answer barutte. Then number of moles is equal to number of molecules divided by Avogadro number. Okay na? So number of molecules divided by Avogadro number. So ನಾವು number of molecules find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, here number of moles is 1 into 10 to the power minus 3. We have to find out the number of molecules divided by Avogadro number 6. 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. So number of molecules is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 20. ಓಕೆನಾ. ಸೊ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೋಲ್ಸ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆಯ್ಟ್ ಬೈ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಮಾಸ್. ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ಸಿಗೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇದೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೋಲ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ಸ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಅವಗಾಡ್ರೋ ನಂಬರ್. ಸೊ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 6.022 into 10 to the power 20. ಸೊ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಡಿ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. Next question. Avogadro number of carbon atoms are present in 12 gram of 12 CO2, 22.4 liter of CO2 in room temperature, 44 gram of CO2, 12 moles of CO2. Okay na? So these questions are very important, student, bit confusing, don't confuse. So here we have Avogadro number of carbon atoms, that is equal to 1 mole of CO2, that is equal to gram molecular mass of CO2, that is nothing but 44 gram. Okay na? That is equal to Avogadro number of molecules, 23 molecules of CO2, that is further equal to Avogadro number of atoms of carbon. ಓಕೆನಾ. ಸೊ 1 mole ಆಫ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಡೈಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ನಮಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೂ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಮಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ CO2, ದೆನ್ ಅವಗಾಡ್ರೋ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ CO2, ಅವಗಾಡ್ರೋ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಟಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್. ಓಕೆನಾ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ is the right answer. ಓಕೆನಾ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ದಿ ಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಮಾಸ್ 44 ಗ್ರಾಮ್. ಇವು ಮೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ನೋಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 44 ಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಡೈಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್. ಸೊ ಸಿ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. Coming to next question, 10 gram of hydrogen and 64 gram of oxygen were kept in a steel vessel and exploded. Moles of water produced in this reaction: 2, 4, 8, 10. Okay na? So we have to find out the moles of water. So we have equation, that is 2H2 combines with O2 give rise to 2H2O, right? So we have 10 gram of hydrogen and 64 gram of oxygen, alba. So here 2 moles, then here this one is 5 moles. Okay na? So the ratio wise nodidre 5 moles, this is 2 moles. Okay na? So 5 moles of H2 combines with 2 moles to give water. Okay na? So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ 4 moles ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ 4 moles combines with the 2 moles of oxygen to give 4 moles of water. That is 4 mole hydrogen plus 2 mole oxygen to give 4 mole water. ಓಕೆನಾ. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ 1 mole is remaining, right? So here particularly oxygen is the limiting reagent. Okay na? So we have option B is the right answer. 4 mole of water ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದರೆ 4 mole of hydrogen must combine with the 2 mole of oxygen. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 mole ನಮಗೇನಾಗಿದೆ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಅಂತ 1 mole ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಲಿಮಿಟಿಂಗ್ ರಿಯೇಜೆಂಟ್. ಓಕೆನಾ. ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಕ್ವಶನಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಲಿಮಿಟಿಂಗ್ ರಿಯೇಜೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್. ಓಕೆನಾ. So this is excess reagent hydrogen, oxygen is the limiting reagent. Next question, which has the maximum number of molecules among the following? So 44 gram of carbon dioxide, 48 gram of ozone, 8 gram of hydrogen, 64 gram of SO2. ಓಕೆನಾ. ಸೊ ಇವಿಷ್ಟರಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುದ್ರಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ಲಿ ಸಿ ಈಸ್ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ವೈ ಸಿ? That is 8 gram of hydrogen has 4 moles while others has 1 mole each. ಓಕೆನಾ. ಇವೆಲ್ಲದರಲ್ಲೂ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ 1 mole ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 44 gram of CO2, that is 1 mole, whereas 48 gram of ozone, that is also 1 mole, whereas 8 gram of hydrogen, that is 4 moles, 64 gram of SO2, that is 1 mole. ಓಕೆನಾ. ಸೊ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ಸ್ ಇರೋದು ನಮಗೆ hydrogen, 8 gram of hydrogen. Hence C is the right answer. That is 8 gram of hydrogen. Next question. The number of molecules present in a drop of water weighing 0.06 gram is approximately 10 to the power 21, 2 into 10 to the power 21, 3 into 10 to the power 21, 4 into 10 to the power 21. So we have 1 mole of water, 1 mole of water, that is equal to 18 gram, right? That is equal to Avogadro number of molecules, alba. So this is known concept. 1 mole of water equals 18 grams. That is equal to Avogadro number of molecules. Okay na? Hence for 0.06 gram, okay na, of water contains how much? That is 0.06 divided by 18 into Avogadro number. Okay na? So that is 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. Okay na? So on calculating, we are going to get 2 into 10 to the power 21 molecules. So option B is the right answer. So 1 mole of water anta bandre, that will be equal to 18 grams. That is molecular mass gain irutte, that will be equal. And molecules anta consider madidre, that contains Avogadro number of molecules. So 0.06 gram of water ige eshtu anta simple cross multiplication, that is 0.06 into Na divided by 18. So 2 into 10 to the power 21 molecules. Next question. The number of atoms in 0.1 mole of triatomic gas is 6.026 into 10 to the power 22, 1.806 into 10 to the power 23, 3.600 into 10 to the power 23, 1.8 into 10 to the power 23. So we have to find out the number of atoms in 0.1 mole of triatomic gas. Okay na? So we have number of atoms is equal to Avogadro number into number of moles into atomicity. Okay na? Formula ಇದೆ. Number of atoms is nothing but Avogadro number into number of moles into atomicity. So Avogadro number 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. Number of moles given 0.1. Then atomicity, it is nothing but how much atom. So since it is a triatomic gas, we have 3. Atomicity. So on calculating, we are going to get 1.806 into 10 to the power 23. Okay na? So B is the right answer. Understood? So number of atoms anta bandakshana Avogadro number into number of moles into atomicity. So ellavannu multiply ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ we are going to get the answer. Next question. Mass of 0.1 mole of methane is 1.6 gram, 0.1 gram, 1 gram, 16 gram. So mass of 0.1 mole of methane. So number of atoms, number of moles is equal to mass divided by molecular mass, right? So mass H2, that we have to find out. So W anta consider ಮಾಡೋಣ. Number of moles 0.1, mass W, molar mass that is 16 ಅಲ್ವಾ, CH4 methane. So ಅದ್ರ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ M is equal to 16. So W is equal to 1.6 gram. ಓಕೆನಾ? So A is the right answer. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೋಲ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಮಾಸ್ ಬೈ ಮೋಲಾರ್ ಮಾಸ್. ಮಾಸ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೋಲ್ಸ್ ಗಿವನ್, ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಮಾಸ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಈಸಿಲಿ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ. ಸೊ CH4 ಮೀಥೇನು 1 into 12 plus 4 into 1. So 16. So we got answer mass, that is 1.6 gram. Next question. Empirical formula of a compound is CH2O and its molecular mass is 90. The molecular formula of the compound: C3H6O3, C2H4O2, C6H12O6, CH2O. So in your theory class, you already learned how to calculate the empirical formula and molecular formula. So it is easy. So we have empirical formula kottidare. Empirical formula mass find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. That is equal to 12 into 1 plus 2, 1 into 2 plus 1 into 16, that is equal to 30. So n is equal to molecular mass divided by empirical formula mass. So 90 divided by 30, that is equal to 3. Okay na? So n is equal to 3. Now substitute for empirical formula, that is CH2O 3, that is equal to C3H6O3. Okay na? So option A is the right answer. Empirical formula mass find out ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ ಫಸ್ಟು. They had given empirical formula. So ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ we have formula n equals molecular mass by empirical formula mass. So we got the value n. Then substitute the value of n in empirical formula, that is C3H6O3. Okay, A is the right answer. Next question. An organic compound made of carbon, hydrogen and nitrogen contains 20% of nitrogen. Its molecular weight is. So we have option 70, 140, 100, 65. So mass percentage of an element, that is equal to what? Mass of the element in divided by molar mass into 100 alva. Mass divided by molar mass into 100. So that is mass of element divided by molar mass of compound into 100. Okay na? So molecular weight of the compound is equal to ನಮಗೆ ಏನಿದೆ ಮಾಸ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 100 divided by 20 into 14, that is equal to 70. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ವೆಯ್ಟ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋದು. ಸೊ 100 divided by 20% ನೈಟ್ರೋಜನ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಓವರ್ ಆಲ್ ಅಂತ ಬಂದಾಗ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 100. ಓಕೆನಾ? 100ಅಲ್ಲಿ 20% ನೈಟ್ರೋಜನ್ ಇಂಟು 14 ಮಾಸ್ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಅದರದ್ದು ಮಾಸ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಟಾಮಿಕ್ ಮಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ನೈಟ್ರೋಜನ್ 14. ಸೊ 70 is the right answer. A is the correct answer. ಓಕೆನಾ? Coming to next question. What is the mass of the precipitate formed when 50 ml of 16.9% solution of AgNO3 is mixed with 50 ml of 5.8% NaCl solution? Okay na? So we have options 3.5, 7, 3.5 gram, 7 gram, 14 gram, 28 gram. Okay na? So we have 16.9% solution of AgNO3 is nothing but 16.9 gram of AgNO3 in 100 ml. Okay na? So 16.9% solution of AgNO3 is nothing but 16.9 gram of AgNO3 in 100 ml. So ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ 16.9 gram of AgNO3 in 100 ml solution is equal to 8.45 gram of AgNO3 in solution. Okay na? 8.45 gram of AgNO3 in 50 ml. Okay na? In 50 ml. ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ 16 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇನ್ 100 ml ಆದರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಹಾಫ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 8.45 ಇನ್ 50 ml. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ಲಿ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ 5.8% NaCl solution is equal to 5.8 gram of NaCl in 100 ml. Right. Similarly, that is equal to 2.9 gram of NaCl in 50 ml. ಓಕೆನಾ, ಇದನ್ನು ಹಾಫ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್. Now the reaction, that is AgNO3 combines with NaCl to give AgCl plus NaNO3 alva reaction. So here we have 8.45 divided by 170, here 2.9 divided by 58.5. Here we have 0 0 because it is initially, okay na, initial condition. Coming to this final condition means reaction complete ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, so the reactants are having 0. Here AgCl, that is 0.049 mole, this one also 0.049 mole. Okay na. So now mass of AgCl precipitate is equal to 0.049 into 143.3. Okay na, into 143.3, that will be equal to 7.02 gram, that is almost equal to 7 gram. Okay na, so that is equal to 7 gram. So listen, we have 16.9% solution of AgNO3, that is nothing but 16.9 gram 100 ml ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆನಾ. ಸೊ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ಲಿ 100 ml ಅಲ್ಲಿ 16.9 AgNO3 ಇದ್ದರೆ 50 ml ಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಈ 16.9 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಹಾಫ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಸೋಡಿಯಂ ಕ್ಲೋರೈಡನ್ನು ಹಾಗೆ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು. ಸೊ 5.8% ಅಂದರೆ 5.8 ಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಆಫ್ NaCl ಡಿಸಾಲ್ವ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ 100 ml. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನು ಹಾಫ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 2.9 ಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಡಿಸಾಲ್ವ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ 50 ml. ಸೊ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ AgNO3 ಕಂಬೈನ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ NaCl ಟು ಫಾರ್ಮ್ AgCl ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ NaNO3. ಸೊ ಇನಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ 8.45 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 170, ದೆನ್ 2.9 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 58.5. ಓಕೆನಾ. ಸೊ ಇದು ನಮಗೆ ಗಿವನ್ ಡೇಟಾ. ಓಕೆನಾ. ದಟ್ ಆ ಇನಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಿರಲ್ಲ, ಹೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 0. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್. ಸೊ ಇನಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಿರಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ 0. ಫೈನಲಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ನಮಗೆ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟಾಗಿ ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇದು 0. ಸೊ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸು 0.049 0.049. ಓಕೆನಾ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಮಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ AgCl ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 0.049 ಇಂಟು 143.3, that is equal to 7.02, approximately equal to 7 gram. So B is the right answer. Okay na. So B is the right answer. Coming to next question. 6.02 into 10 to the power 20 molecules of urea are present in 100 ml of its solution. The concentration of solution is 0.001 molar, 0.1 molar, 0.02 molar, 0.01 molar. So moles of urea, that is equal to 6.02 into 10 to the power 20 divided by Avogadro number, that is 6.023 into 10 to the power 23, that is equal to 0.01 molar. Okay na, moles. Now concentration we have to find out. Concentration of solution is equal to 0.001 divided by 100 into 1000. ಓಕೆನಾ. 100 ml ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಇಂಟು 1000, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0.01 ಮೋಲಾರ್. ಸೊ ಡಿ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಓಕೆನಾ. ಮೋಲ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಯೂರಿಯಾ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ಸ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಅವಗಾಡ್ರೋ ನಂಬರ್. ವಿ ಗಾಟ್ ದ ಮೊಲಾರಿಟಿ. ನಾವು ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್, ವಿ ಗಾಟ್ ದ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೋಲ್ಸ್. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ದಿ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಷನ್, ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೋಲ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು that divided by 100 into 1000. Okay na. So 0.01 molar. D is the right answer. Next question. The mass of 112 cm cube of ammonia gas at STP is 0.085 gram, 0.850 gram, 8.500 gram, 80.500 gram. Okay na. So mass of 22,400 cm cube of ammonia is equal to how much? 17 gram. Alva. Ammonia 14, hydrogen 3 ಇದೆ, so 17 gram. Next, we have to find out the mass of 112 cm cube of ammonia. So simple cross multiplication, idu namige known concept, we know that, okay na. So mass of 112 cm cube anta consider ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ cross multiplication 17 into 112 divided by 22,400, that is equal to 0.085 gram, okay na, 0.085 gram. So A is the right answer. Understand? Okay, so this is about the MCQs related to some basic concepts of chemistry. Few more questions are there that I am going to discuss in the next class.